Welcome to another edition of Show Me Your Car. Boy, do I have a treat for you today. I got this beautiful car behind me, and the owner here is...
Paul Cassidy.
Paul. Nice to meet you, Paul. Yeah, Paul's got this really cool car, and he's going to show us his car. He's going to tell us all about it.
Okay.
What kind of car is it?
It's a 1968 AMC Ambassador SST.
Okay.
343. Borg-Warner M11 transmission, Spicer 20 rear end. It's just at 100,000 miles. Bought it with 64,000 miles. Was a one owner when I bought it.
Okay.
And it's
really nice. And I was looking at it a little bit earlier. I like how your fender here comes around with the bumper, the lines on it, and the same way with the back one. That's pretty cool for sure. Yeah, this is something that you don't see at car shows anymore.
Yeah, you don't see them, period.
Right.
Got to go to a national event to find one.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Wow. And you got the old time oil can in here.
Yeah.
That's what the old oil cans used to look like, folks. Got the little spout on the end. I tell you from experience of using those back in the 70s and earlier, you poke that little funnel in there, and you'd get oil running all over the place.
Yeah.
It'd leak like a sieve, you know? But yeah, this is really nice. So how long have you had this car, you said?
I've had this car probably going on 15 years probably.
Okay. Great. And it's a 343, huh?
343 Typhoon, they called it. It's a two-barrel motor.
Okay.
It's got a Ford Motorcraft two-barrel.
Okay.
It's got Ford brakes. It's got Ford air conditioning. It's got a Chevy distributor. And
got a little bit of everything, doesn't it?
Exactly. AMC was number 4, and they subcontracted all their parts from other companies.
Huh, that's interesting to know. And check this out, guys. Look how these seats lay down.
Reclining seats.
Reclining seats. Look at that. That is sweet. Got the 8-track tape player, the CB radio.
Tissue dispenser.
Yeah, look at the dash on that thing.
AM radio goes up and down.
Oh, yeah.
The lights light up green.
Okay.
Got a headlight buzzer.
Yeah. Nice. I see you got a clock in there.
Yeah.
That is really cool.
And the Ambassador in '68 was the first car to have standard air conditioning. You could get it on Cadillacs and Rolls Royces, but it was always, you had to pay extra for it.
Wow.
But the Ambassador was the first to come standard with air conditioning.
I'll be darned. That's good information now. Now check out these door handles, guys. Look at that. I guess you just pull that out and it pops the door open?
Yeah.
Okay. That's kind of neat.
Yeah. Got the dealer sticker.
Okay.
Still in there, and got all the
tag tag work on there.
And up in the front.
Now, is this the original color?
Yes.
Okay.
Laurel green.
Okay, is that what that says in there?
Well, that's the original owner.
Oh, okay.
He put his name and address in the car, and I just left it in there for prosperity.
I'll be darned.
Frank William Folsch was the owner of it, and he bought it from the sales manager at Charles Johnson Rambler Fiat, and it was a relative of his.
Okay, now was this a St. Louis car?
Yes, it was sold at Charles Johnson Rambler Fiat in Delwood.
Okay. Wow. Now, what's the SST? Was that just
a trim package? A trim package.
Okay.
Not really a performance package, just a little bit more chrome and a little bit sportier.
Okay.
The two-tone interior.
Yeah.
And the trim down the sides.
All right.
And the trim on the back. And
okay.
the turn signal indicators in the grill instead of the bumper.
Yeah, yeah. Now, this little emblem here.
That was the Ambassador emblem.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I've seen it over here on the side, too.
Yeah.
It's got the 343 V8 there. Yeah. And the little Ambassador logo symbol right there.
Yeah.
Yeah, you got the old camera up there.
Yeah.
Period correct. This is neat. For sure. All right, well, is there anything else that you want to show me on your car?
That's about does it. You went all the way around.
Yes, definitely. Those are some cool wheels. Now, you were telling me about the wheels earlier.
Those are Magnum 500s. They came on the Javelins and the AMXs, so I figured I could get by with it and put it on here. I got the turbine cast hubcaps at home.
Okay, and then and apparently we were looking at mine on the Mercury, and they're a Ford wheel.
Yeah, Ford and Mopar.
And Mopar, okay.
And AMC. Like they had them on the Javelins and the AMXs.
Huh, that's interesting, for sure. All right, sir. Well, hey, I appreciate it. Thank you very much.
Thanks for looking.
Oh, yeah, thank you.
All right.
All right, folks. Well, I hope you enjoyed this edition of Show Me Your Car. And if you click on the little round logo right here, you can subscribe. And over here is the last video I just did. Thanks again for watching.